At 35, I fell prey to a deep depression. I never imagined I would sink into something so tragic and terrifying. An illness that robbed me of my will to live and, in return, gave me an inconsolable sadness and unremitting discouragement. I was on the verge of making the cruelest decision that can take a human being's life. But an unexpected discovery saved me from the abyss. I called it quantum mastery, the science of knowing how to manifest. Thanks to it, I was not only able to emerge from the darkness I found myself in, but also experience a rebirth that translated into a second chance. Then, I regained control of my consciousness. I learned to master my mind to change my reality. Today I'm living my second half of life with the peace and freedom I always wanted. Far from the overwhelming anxiety and relentless stress. I wrote this book for those who, like me, wish to manifest their dream life.
Quantum Mastery, the science of knowing how to manifest. A book to learn how to master your mind and change your reality. Now available on Amazon.